So let's have a look at how we might go about finding a local Tesla supercharger that we can use with our non-Tesla car. So first off, we're going to launch the Tesla app, and then we're going to choose charge your non-Tesla. So nice and easy, it's the first option that pops up in the app for you. The app will then ask to use your location, and it will then look around and show you any Tesla superchargers that are in the immediate area that are open to your car being non-Tesla. So you can see here I've got 10 in Box Hill. There's 5 open currently in the moment and 5 down in Geelong. The grey icons, they represent chargers, Tesla destination chargers that are open to all vehicles. So for example, this one here is at the Knox Private Hospital, and 3 or 4 of those chargers are available for use. And here we have the Ibis Melbourne Hotel, where 3 or 4 of their chargers are available for use. But the main one we're interested in today is this one, being the Box Hill SuperChargers in Middleborough Road. So we can see 10 or 12 stalls are available at Box Hill right now. 3A is noted as being out of order, so before we arrive there, we know not to pull into 3A. It tells us the busy times at Box Hill tend to be around about this 12:30 or 1 o'clock in the day. Lets us know what our charging rate would be, and the destination address, and also where other conveniences might be. That happens to be in a big box shopping complex, so there are toilets and food and everything available for you. And once we arrive there, and we'll have a look at the video now of us arriving, we will then just hit charge here to commence our charging session. So you can see here the entrance to the Box Hill Supercharger is on a fairly major road in Box Hill, Middleborough Road, and handy entrance via lights, so nice and straightforward entry. As I mentioned, this is a big box site, so we've got Petbarns, Repcos, Jcar, and then next door is a Bunnings. There's also some other shops in the main part of the complex, including a Children's Play Centre flip out. There's a house, a chemist warehouse, BCF, so lots of different things here, some food, Guzman and Mexican there. So lots of different options for you, including a Decathlon Sports. So this is quite a good place to come, particularly if your charge is going to take a while, in which case, you know, you can leave your car here and wander off, use all of those facilities and shopping options for you. And here I am just now figuring out at my first trip to a Tesla Supercharger. So once we click charge here, what will happen is we'll be taken to information about our charging and what we've previously set up in the app. So I've set my debit card up in the app. It'll remind us of the fees we're going to get charged per kilowatt hour, and then it tells us to select which store we're at. So in the video today we're at 1C, so we will just hit 1C, and that will then ask us to start charging, and then we'll connect the charger to our car. And in this instance I'm here at 1C in Middlesborough Road. It's handily placed next to a major shopping complex, and we can see that in fact we are green and we are getting some 38 kilowatts delivered to the car at the moment. So 30 charges at 78 cents a kilowatt hour. This unit is, I believe, a max of 250 kilowatts hours, but the MG tops out at 80 and we're only getting 38 at the moment. But the key is non-Tesla, and we are charging at a supercharger with 30 of them open around Australia.